Traders, the day has finally come. Yes, the news is true. TradingView is now available. This could not come at a better time. Trust me, the last couple of months in the prop firm industry for both traders and firms has been absolutely insane. From MetaTrader cutting off a whole bunch of brokers to prop firms needing to migrate to new platforms, US traders being temporarily banned or permanently banned from some firms. It has been absolutely crazy. And so this could not come at a better time. When we launched back in June 2022, we have been wanting to get TradingView from the very beginning. It is something that traders have been requesting for a very long time. And so we could not be more excited that it is finally here. And so in today's video, we are going to give you a complete walkthrough of the DXTrade and TradingView integration so you can see exactly how it works, how great it works, how much easier it is to use. And personally, I think it's actually better than MT5. So with that being said, let's get right into it. First things first, upon going to our website and purchasing an evaluation, you will instantly be emailed your login credentials. So here I have my credentials right here for the GUI trade platform. We're going to log in. And what's honestly fantastic about the DXTrade platform is that all of your accounts are under the exact same username. It's not like MT5 or MT4 where you needed to paste in unique account numbers and passwords for every single account. You can now flip through them much more easily, which we can see exactly right here. All of my accounts, and here we are looking at a juicy $200,000 evaluation account, even though I am down almost $3,000. You're also able to fluctuate between US dollar and euros, which is a nice feature for those in Europe that just operate on that currency. So that is nice. But I'm actually giving away all of the goods right away. Let's first start off with the DXTrade platform. This is what it looks like. So at Lark, we are still offering FX, commodities, indices, and crypto trading. We're trying very hard to bring stocks back, but this is currently what we have. And so many traders, it took them a while to adjust from MT4 and MT5. Understandably so, this is a unique looking platform. I no longer have the, whoa, what am I looking at vibe because I'm used to it. And honestly, I was quite surprised to see traders struggle with it because personally, regardless of the trading platform that I've been on in the past, I always do my charting on TradingView and then I would just hop over to MT5 and execute the trade. So I personally am not doing a lot of charting in trading platforms, but for the first time ever, that is actually changing. So you can see our raw spreads over here on all of the different platforms. We've got indices, we've got crypto, Bitcoin, we've got all of these FX pairs, and then you can execute your trade here. So raw spreads, very nice. However, what we are going to do is we're going to give you the goods. We're going to show you exactly the new TradingView integration. So sometimes if it is a new account, you'll have to come under tools here and you'll have to go under TradingView. You can see here that I already have it listed, but right under the tool section, you'll come and you'll click on TradingView. And just like that, you will be transported into a brand new universe. You'll be transported into this TradingView goodness. Now, I am not an expert on TradingView and the integration itself. I highly recommend traders to play around with it. You will most likely quickly find features that I am not even aware of. However, at face value, you're going to get exactly what you are familiar with TradingView. You can see here on the left-hand side all of the charting tools that you are accustomed to that you get in TradingView, and this is just barely scratching the surface. I believe here, since I have more than one TradingView, I think you can set up multiple charts, multiple setups based on what it is that you're looking for. Let's minimize that and let's go to a pair. Pound yen is a good one to start with. You can see here you can fluctuate amongst the different time frames. So there's not exactly every time frame that's offered on TradingView. We're not offering 1 second charts here, but I think for 99.9% of traders, this is exactly what you're going to want. So let's hop over to the 1 hour chart. And again, this is exactly how it looks on TradingView. You're able to move the chart around up and down. You can scroll back, you can scroll forward, all of that good stuff. Let's take a look at my beloved Bitcoin. Here we're on the 1 hour chart. Let's hop over to the 4 hour chart. You're seeing exactly what is going on here. So if you want, and this is what a lot of traders are doing, you can chart directly in here. You don't need to do your TradingView charting and then hop on over. It is really that seamless. You can do everything in here. Now, as an important side note, we're working very hard to offer the DXTrade platform on mobile. Good news, if you are an Android trader, just within the last couple of days, as of this recording. The Android app is now available and traders are really, really enjoying it. Now for iOS, we're waiting for the App Store, but it is going to be very, very soon that once again, you'll be able to trade on mobile, which will just be an absolute game changer once again. So if we were to, let's say we wanted to take a trade, Bitcoin is not moving that much. Well, let's see. Let's hop down to the 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on here. I'm not seeing anything crazy. What about pound yen? Pound yen, or even a pair that we haven't looked at yet. Let's look at gold. Gold is the 15-minute chart. All right, let's take a quick look here. Let's see what kind of trade we might want to hop into. We can maybe throw an indicator on there if we want a simple moving average. I'm going to throw that on there. We come over to settings. That's a 7-day. Let's put a 200-day moving average. Look at that. On the 30-minute chart, I think that could be a nice little buy there. Maybe we'll throw on a few more tools. Let's see for further confirmation. Got a little trend line there, maybe a little channel. We're doing this super quickly, but at least it's going to give you a sense of what's going on with the platform. Right, a big spike up here, so let's throw that on. In terms of Fibonacci retracements, we bounced off of the 50, it looks like, so throw that on there. Obviously, these aren't the colors that I would normally use. It's not the color scheme that I'm accustomed to, but we'll keep that on there. Now, let's say we want to take a buy. We're going to use the beloved tool that TradingView offers for both long and short positions, and we're going to enter right here. Perfect. So we know that this is the 61 fib. The color scheme throws me off a bit, so we'll get rid of that. But let's say we want the stop loss to be here. We're going to be looking at, I believe that would be 65 pips or so. It is gold though, so depends how you calculate it, and we'll swing it up here. So a nice little 3.71 risk to reward trade. Again, we're just kind of playing around a little bit here to give you a sense of the platform, but when you want to execute a trade, super easy. It's going to be so easy to calculate your lot size, your risk. It is fantastic. So we're going to come onto order panel. Now we are in the good. So we're going to take a market buy. We want our stop loss to be at 2169.7. Throw that on there, and we're going to want our take profit to be 2200. So we're going to throw that price on there. You could put pips, you could put the actual price. It's fantastic. So as of right now, the units that we have is a 0.01. This is a $200,000 evaluation account, so we're going to want to risk a little bit more than that. Let's say you want, however, to risk a set percentage. This is going to actually calculate it for you. So if you want to risk 1%, let's throw it on there. It's saying, perfect, you're going to take 3.09 lots. Let's say you want to risk 0.5% because you're a nice risk managed trader. Boom, you're going to be taking a trade, a lot size of 1.58, and your take profit will be just under 2%. Obviously, it's fluctuating based on the price movements that we are seeing here, because then your stop loss is widening. But basically, that is how you're going to do it. It's so easy to calculate your position size. You don't have to hop over to a calculator. You don't have to manually do it. It is so easy. So we're going to buy at market right here. Instant execution, raw spreads looking quite nice. So we're able to track it here, my trading account. Right here, we can track the trade that we are in. So currently we're down $17. That's going to fluctuate quite a bit. When it comes to tracking all of your metrics, you're also able to hop into the trading journal here, and you're able to see everything that's going on, your P&L, when you executed, when you closed. And then when we hop back over to TradingView, we see the trade right here, which is really, really nice. So minimize that. We can watch the trade. We're seeing up here the P&L. So we're now up $6. You're seeing how much free margin you have, how much margin you have used. You could fluctuate to euros as well. So it's really overall just a super user-friendly experience. And this is something that we've been waiting for almost 2 years. So I am so excited that traders are finally able to offer it. Now, in full transparency, when we migrated to DXTrade over the last couple of weeks, there have been technical issues, not so much with TradingView because this just launched, but with the DXTrade platform. I think, unfortunately, it's received somewhat of a bad rap, but I think this is also to be expected considering that thousands of accounts with us and with other firms have migrated to a new platform. So we are happy to say, though, that we have had several maintenance periods where we worked on the platform. For any trader that has experienced a loss due to a server outage, which has only happened 2 times, perhaps 3, but I think only 2, all of those traders that experienced unnecessary losses, we credited their accounts, so it's as if it never happened. So just some simple growing pains, but I think overall, every single day the platform is improving, and I think TradingView, the integration speaks for itself. So we hope that you are as excited as we are for this. If you have any questions, drop them down below. But overall, we are just getting started, and we're so excited to have you try out the new integration. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.